Welcome back, friend. We're learning AWS identity and security, and here in this lecture, we're going to learn about GuardDuty, which is another security utility on Amazon Cloud. So let's start. Uh, GuardDuty is among various services of security with Artifact Certificate Manager, Cloud HSM, Directory Service, Single Sign-On, Secrets Manager, WAF and Shield, Inspector, and more. So let's start. GuardDuty is an intelligent threat detection and continuous monitoring tool to protect your AWS account and different workloads that you're deploying over different regions, availability regions, or other kinds of VPC environment. You can secure your instance safely with GuardDuty. It is a cloud scale threat detection technique which you could use. Uh, you can monitor for activities such as unusual API calls or potentially unauthorized deployments that indicate a possible account of compromise or security compromise that you could detect and choose to patch. Uh, in a simple personal computer, you have a block list where you could block different IP address or different websites to be loaded on your system or to connect your system. Similarly, you could perform various kinds of preventions or block different domains, obviously, and IP addresses. Along with that, GuardDuty guarantees you to with protection for denial of service attack or distributed denial of service attack, DDoS and DOS attacks. It is one of the most costly service on Amazon Cloud because it provides you a very secure fashion. It has a wide range of products that is being used to keep you secure. It can analyze billions of events across your accounts for sign of risk, and it uses intelligence technique, machine learning to detect anomalies in your account and different kinds of CloudWatch events. It can monitor different things, and you could be sit back and relax. So how GuardDuty works? With a few clicks in the console monitor, you can create a GuardDuty instance, add to your account, and then you can start your containers analysis work. And then you can intelligently detect the threats, which could be third-party threats, security compromisation, DOS attack, and more. It could be prevented, and you could take actions, uh, be it either Lambda, trigger, or things like that. You can also move to the dashboard directly and perform various operations from there, or you could run your custom scripts that can be triggered with the Lambda. There are huge benefits of using GuardDuty. It is an intelligent threat detection system, so you don't need to hire a person or a developer or a security analyst solely for your system. In case you hire a person, he or she may take some time or compromisation could be occurred. You could hire a person along with this guard duty. With the guard duty, which runs 24/7 uh, throughout the globe, you can be secure. It has a centralized threat detection across different accounts, so you don't need to customize it multiple times for multiple accounts. You can many organizations that use multiple AW accounts can be centralized for proper cost allocation, agility, and security. You can customize these things on AWS. It strengthens your security throughout the automation. It uses machine learning, tags, security groups, resource details, and different kind of techniques to keep your domain or stuff safe out there on the cloud. There are various related services with GuardDuty. You have Amazon Mashi. This is a machine learning powered security service to discover, classify, and protect sensitive data. Then you have CloudTrail to track and automatically respond to the account activity. Then you have Amazon Virtual Private Cloud Flow Logs and AWS Shield. The GuardDuty could be used for brute force attack. Uh, drop point attack, Tor communications, the API failures, and different kind of things. Uh, you can secure it anytime you want. This is a dashboard for GuardDuty when you will try to create an instance from the Amazon account. This page will pop on your screen. From here, you can hit the Get Started button and create a GuardDuty instance. There could be various use cases with GuardDuty. One of those is here. We have a CloudTrail instance running out there. We have VPC flow logs, DNS flow logs that could be monitored by the GuardDuty, and GuardDuty will generate certain reports or the findings, which could be fetched from the CloudWatch events also. And the CloudWatch event collector would collect those things, generate certain Lambda functions based on cloud formation templates, and those Lambda functions will perform actions from the GuardDuty side with the GuardDuty trends and the remediations that you could use anytime you want. Similarly, you can have more use cases with GuardDuty. You may have different accounts using GuardDuty that could be connected with CloudWatch events associated with different Lambda functions, and that could be deployed easily. You may have a centralized or decentralized model implemented out there anytime you want. Then there could be different things like that. When the CloudWatch event generates a call, let's say in 6 days and a week or more like that, and a system manager parameter store encrypts a third-party access key, then we have a threat detection analysis from the site. We can download it, upload it to the Lambda. And from the Lambda, we could move our details, the complete CSV file into the S3, and that could be analyzed based on the authentication module of the IAM using the GuardDuty. GuardDuty can generate reports, analyze your stuff, raise a Lambda trigger, or perform a certain task that you predefined it or allow it. Then it could be also integrated with Amazon SNS, Simple Notification Service, or WAF for the VPC control, DynamoDB, or more. The core could be Lambda. Lambda would be very useful in these scenarios to generate a trigger or simple scripts. We have responding to findings, immediate remediation to compromised instance, the remediate compromised AWS credentials. We have automatic remediation for GuardDuty, CloudWatch event, Lambda, and things like that. So this was about GuardDuty. We learned certain things about GuardDuty, and we can implement these things. It is not a free tier service. So when you create an instance for GuardDuty, you will be paid. You will be charged. So be careful if you really need this thing, you could go for this. Or if you have a funds for learning purpose, you could also go for that. Otherwise, it will be very useful when it comes to server deployment or securing of your uh, business intelligence software or complex applications out there on the web. So we're going to learn more security tools in the coming lectures. Till then, keep learning and keep moving ahead.